Hey, welcome back to Seasoned and Still Learning. Today, I'm excited to share some new tech I tried out, especially because I know a lot of you feel just like me curious, but sometimes cautious about trying new things. So, let's talk about Pictory. It's a totally free-to-start online tool that lets you create videos even if you've never edited before. And just so you know, nobody's paying me to say this. I only recommend stuff I've actually tried and found useful. Here's the thing. Learning keeps us growing. I taught myself to use tools like ChatGPT and Canva, so now I'm adding Pictory to my set of beginner-friendly tech. I don't have a background in video editing, but I do have a background in being curious. And honestly, that's all you need to get started. So what does Pictory do? In a nutshell, it turns your text into video. You can paste in a script, maybe something you wrote, or even something ChatGPT helped you with, and Pictory brings it to life with visuals, text, and music. It truly takes the overwhelm out of content creation, making it perfect for beginners. Let me walk you through my simple steps. I signed up for a free account, hit text to video, and pasted in a paragraph. Pictory matched it with visuals automatically. Before clicking generate video, I picked my video style vertical or horizontal. Wait a few moments, then choose a voice you like. Preview your video, and you're set. You can edit more if you want, or just download it. And if you get stuck, there's a built-in tutorial. I felt great, not just because I made a video, but because I didn't let fear stop me from trying. If you've been curious about tech or anything new, this is your gentle nudge. We don't have to go fast, we just have to begin. Subscribe if this speaks to you. Let's keep learning, trying, and growing together. Because you're not behind, you're right on time.